Okay, one more puzzle. So again, here's the home page. Welcome to Logic Puzzles. Start a new puzzle. Smallest grid, easiest difficulty. Start the puzzle. Alright, another 4-clue one. Sweet. The book, so let's see our story. Belfry Books has several projects that need to be translated into English from various foreign languages. Use only the clues that follow, match each project to its translator, that's these people, publication year, and the length of each in pages. We're not doing the language, that would be if you were doing a harder, bigger grid. So, translator, publication years, these two, and length in pages. So, the book published in 2010 is 50 pages shorter than Hazel. So, 2010 is shorter than Hazel. So that means Hazel is not in 2010, right? Otherwise it couldn't be shorter. It also means Hazel is not the shortest, right? This is, again, you've seen this in every single one of the puzzle videos. There's clues like this. So, if there's one shorter than Hazel, Hazel isn't the shortest. And if the Hazel is longer than 2010, then 2010 can't be the longest. Now, this is a numeric one. It doesn't just say 2010 is shorter than Hazel. It says 50 pages shorter. So let's look. If you look, the intervals here, 150 to 175 is 25. 175 to 200, 25. 200 to 225, 25. So 50 pages shorter is actually 2 intervals. So if you recall from one of the others, that means that this also can't be the second longest, okay? Because if 2010 was 200 and it's 50 shorter than Hazel, Hazel would have to be 250, which isn't an option. Likewise, Hazel can't be the second shortest, because if Hazel was 175 and 2010 is 50 less, it would be at 125, which isn't an option. So, it's 2 intervals shorter, so that means Hazel can't be the 2 smallest and 2010 can't be the 2 largest. Okay? Rodney's project was published in 2004. So that's a giveaway. Rodney is 2004. Okay? Leela is shorter than Martha. So in this case, it's not numeric. So we don't know how much shorter. We just know Leela is shorter than Martha. So that means Leela can't be the longest because she's shorter than Martha. And Martha can't be the shortest because Leela is shorter. So that's all we have. We can't know anything else about that. Okay. Ooh, I'm glad this clue came up. This is a different kind of one. Hazel's project, the 200-page project, and the book published in 2007 are all different projects. So this is how I handle this one to make this kind of clue to make sure I don't get mixed up when I do these. I start with Hazel's project. So these are all different. So Hazel's and 200 are different. That means Hazel can't be 200. Hazel and 2007 are different. So Hazel can't be 2007. And then after I've done that, I move on to the next thing. 200 can't be Hazel. We have that. 200 can't be 2007 because those are different. So 2007 can't be 200. And then 2007 can't be Hazel. We got that. 2007 can't be 200. We got that. So that leaves us with Hazel pretty much all figured out here, which is exciting. So the only space left for Hazel for length is 225. And the only space left for Hazel for year is 2005. So if Hazel's 225 and Hazel's 2005, then 225 and 2005 are connected. So 225, 2005, they go together. So you might notice this leaves us here 200, 2004 is the only option left for 200. So boom. So then we get this exciting thing. 2004 is Rodney, and 2004 is 200. So if both Rodney and 200 are 2004, then Rodney has to be 200. Ba-bum-bum. All right. Now we've only got one option left for Martha right here, And that leaves us one option left for Leela right here. So we're almost done. Now, we did our all clues, so now we go back to the beginning. The book published in 2010 is 50 shorter than Hazel. So 2010, now we know how long Hazel is. And 2010 is 50 shorter. So Hazel's 225. So 225 minus 50. So you might remember that we already said it's two intervals. So 225 minus 25 is 200. And then minus 50 gets us to 175. So if Hazel's 225 and 2010 is 50 shorter, then 2010 is 175. Okay? And that leaves only one spot left for 2007. And see, it already sees that we're done. Because once you have both the top things filled out, the bottom things is just a formality. So 150 is Leela, 150 is 2007, so Leela is 2007, and then Martha is the only thing left. So, submit. We've solved it correctly. It'd be so embarrassing if sometime I did this and then it didn't solve correctly, but frankly, I'm on to harder things. Okay, so solve the puzzle in 351 seconds, score of 13 points. You'd take a screenshot of this page, submit it as your assignment, and feel good about yourself.